Welcome to the Dummy-Kruger channel, everyone. During this video, we will once again visit the great state of Maryland, home to the Angry Vet, one of the newer First Amendment auditors on the scene. During a video I made last week, this auditor was found tucked away in an undisclosed location where he informed all of us that he had an arrest warrant out for him. In the video linked in the description, I discussed the arrest warrant, which included charges of wiretapping and disorderly conduct, as well as the incident that led to the warrant. We pick up our story on February 22nd, 2023, when the auditor was finally arrested as a result of this.
I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. Yeah, okay. You're not the Cecil County Sheriff's Department.
Say again?
I said you're not the Cecil County Sheriff's Department.
So we did police. So you know we got a warrant for you, right?
The Cecil County Sheriff's Department has the warrant out for you.
No, it's for us.
Oh, okay. Well, then you're going to lock me up?
Yes, we have to take it to the station.
What station?
Take it to the police station.
Which station?
To the VA police station.
To the VA police station
Right
here?
Yes.
So you're gonna deny me my appointment?
Well, the arrest warrant is more important right now.
Is that right?
Yes. Make sure you get my best side, okay? Okay?
Well, first of all, this is my wife, and you don't need to be a dick to her. Right? Right? Right?
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So do me a favor, can you just put your hands behind your back, please?
Can I give her my wallet and all my shit?
You might need it.
Are you saying that I'm going to be bailed out today, or what?
That's up to the court, sir. But you do have a warrant, just to let you know.
So you're taking me to the jail in the
I'm
federal...
gonna take it to the station.
Yeah.
I'm taking it to the station first.
Here, honey. Just take this.
I did find a little more information about this arrest. In addition, I have a statement of charges which I'll cover towards the end of the video. His warrant was issued on February 3rd and served on February 22nd. A personal bond of $3,500 would be used to bail him out the very next day.
This is such bullshit. So what I don't understand is you are charging me with state charges, but yet you're arresting me on federal property.
It's called the Simulating Crimes Act, sir. That we're able to charge state and federal on the same grounds. I'm sure you can look it up. It's called the Simulated Crimes Act. It's public knowledge.
Is that right?
Yes. Meaning if we, like say if we have federal charges, and then like say the federal don't take it, we can charge state. Simulated Crimes Act.
Admittingly, I wasn't aware of the Simulated Crimes Act, so I looked it up. It reads as followed. The Simulated Crimes Act makes state law applicable to conduct occurring on lands reserved or acquired by the federal government when the act or omission is not already a crime under federal law. For example, a person who commits the New York state law crime of assault in the third degree on federal property might actually be prosecuted in federal court for, essentially, a violation of that state crime.
So... this is horse shit. So take this. And what are you arresting me for?
Well, when you go to the station, I'll tell you what the charges.
You gotta tell me now, bud. You need to tell me what I'm being arrested for. You know this.
You know this too.
You know
this too.
That's why I'm asking.
We watch you online.
Tell me what I'm being. Tell me what I'm being. So then this is retaliation. Then
it's not retaliation.
Yeah, it is. I mean.
Okay. Well, you have a right to opinion. I'm not going to argue with you now.
I don't want to argue either. But tell me what I'm being arrested for.
You're in violation of a federal crime of videotaping and audio taping without people's consent.
A federal crime.
Which is chargeable by state as well.
So why didn't you charge me with this federal crime instead of the
things
state
take
crime?
time, man. You know how that go.
Things take time.
You know, you're very intelligent, man. I'm not going to insult your intelligence, and I'm not going to go back and forth with this stuff like that because.
Well, then but what is the crime?
I believe Kevin is being purposely obtuse here. As he pointed out during his trip to the woods last week, he knows exactly what those crimes are.
The sergeant of one of my videos, I'll link the video, charging me with disorderly and wiretapping. Yes, wiretapping. That I'm committing.
I just told you. So do me a favor, can you just turn around and just put your hands behind your back so we can just get this out the way, okay?
But how long is this going to take, man?
Look.
What is your name?
My name is Sergeant McLean.
McLean
Yeah.
2092. McLean 2092 and
Officer Johnson, 3851.
Officer A. Carson Johnson. I guess you married
Okay, so
name
come
or
on.
whatever.
Let's just come on.
3851.
Yep.
This is ridiculous. Ow, ow, ow! You got it all fucking wrong,
I'm
bro.
gonna adjust it. I'll adjust it. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not trying to hurt you.
W. Farah.
Yes, sir. You remember me?
Yeah, I'm sure you've been called on me before. Yeah. And what'd you tell me? You told me that it was legal to record. Didn't you?
You said, I told you that?
Yeah, you did.
You wasn't recording when you was in Building 80.
I wasn't?
Yes, sir.
Really?
You don't remember me from Building 80?
Yeah. And you said I wasn't breaking the law
You wasn't
by recording. Oh, yes, I was.
I sure hope he didn't just admit to secretly recording other people without their knowledge.
So,
You got
How does
anything
that
on
feel?
it?
You good? I'm checking right now. You don't have any weapons on you, do you?
no, Jesus Christ. This is
You take your hat off, all right?
Yeah, whatever, man. Stupid. You can give her the fucking hat.
You got your phone?
She got it.
That's your phone?
Yeah.
Why?
No.
Hold on.
No.
Sir?
No. You got a search warrant?
No, sir.
Go get in the car and fucking leave.
Ma'am,
Go get in
Do
the
me a
car
favor.
and leave.
I have a warrant. I have a warrant for his arrest.
I don't give
Yes.
a That's a warrant for my
I have
arrest,
a warrant for his arrest.
not my phone.
Okay.
And
That's
his
part of
phone
it.
is
No, it
is
ain't
part of the
neither.
evidence that he recorded.
No, it ain't. Get
It's
the
part of
warrant
evidence.
for my phone. Get the warrant for my fucking phone, and then you can have my phone. You have a warrant for my arrest, not my
Can you
phone.
hand me the phone, please?
Fuck you. You better not fucking do it. You better not fucking do it. You better not fucking. You better not fucking do it.
Take me to the car.
The problem I see him encountering here is that there is more than enough probable cause for them to believe he has evidence on his phone that a crime took place. You know why? Because he posted the entire interaction on YouTube, demonstrating to all of us he secretly recorded it. From his statement of charges, it is known that Soper has an account with YouTube.com under the username theangryvet. Later that evening, at approximately 1930 hours, I searched his page and I found a video of the incident between Soper, the doctor, and myself. In the beginning of the video, I can see Soper trying to conceal his cell phone, and he is visually and audibly recording his visit with the doctor before I arrived. I asked the doctor, did she know Soper was recording? She told me that she didn't know he was recording until I entered the exam room and he asked for my name and badge number.
That's the phone.
Okay.
Why?
It's part of the evidence. That's
Well,
what, that's what he.
Is
that's
there something you
talk
can
to her.
show me for that? Because I shouldn't have to give it to you unless I see something.
See a warrant.
Do you? Yeah. What do you?
Of course, I have the warrant. What I'm
Does
saying
it say on the warrant to take the phone?
is, ma'am?
I'm not. I'm.
Listen to me.
I
I'm trying to
understand.
explain. I'm trying to explain it to you as simple as possible. He's being charged with wiretapping. The evidence used for that is the phone. He used that for that purpose, which means that is evidence. And you can record me. That's fine. You can keep recording. That's fine. But it's evidence. And I don't want you to get involved in this. I mean, you can record. You can do whatever you want. But I don't want you to get in any type of trouble by impeding the investigation. Okay?
I would like to call his lawyer first. Please.
You by all means, you can call his lawyer. But I'm asking you, can I have the phone now, please?
No.
You know,
I would like to please
at
call.
this point in time, you are impeding the investigation. I'm
Can
just
I?
letting you know.
Can I please call his lawyer
Sure,
first?
go ahead, call the lawyer. But that doesn't affect what I'm telling you. That has no bearing on
But
what
could
I'm
I
asking.
please call him first, and then if I have to give it to
By all
you?
means.
Okay.
So the video ends here, leaving us hanging a little bit in regards to the outcome of the phone. Fortunately, he gave us the answer in a community post the day prior. He wrote the following: "Not only was my wife treated like shit, but she was threatened with arrest if she did not surrender my phone. In an attempt to scare her, he physically grabbed his handcuffs and acted like he was going to apprehend her. This is disgusting behavior from this department that has already been called on me several times." If it's still a little unclear, this was the title of his video: VA police sting operation and theft over $1K. As for the wiretapping charge, which happens to be a felony punishable by up to 5 years, I really hope Kevin decides to take these charges seriously. Despite not being a medical professional, I am inclined to think he may be suffering from some mental health issues, since he has mentioned something similar in his videos multiple times. I will be following up on both of his cases in the future, so be sure to keep an eye out on this space for future updates. In the meantime, please remember to subscribe, notify, like, and comment below. This is Dummy Kruger, and I'll see you guys on the next video.